Welcome to AI Club, the start of your AI journey.
Artificial intelligence is all around us. Future jobs will require AI knowledge and skills.
Get a head start to this amazing technology.
We've taught AI to thousands of students from grades 4 through 12. What makes us unique? We use professional tools that enable kids to build powerful and creative projects. AIClub created Navigator, an interface that helps kids use professional tools from day one. As kids learn more and get older, they naturally transition to more coding.
Our courses teach and use transformers, GPT-3, BERT, TensorFlow, which are some of the leading technologies in the AI industry.
Classes are designed by computer science PhDs who are internationally known experts in AI and software.
Here are some amazing projects by our students.
Hi, my name is Kuwapral, and this is my Deepfake Detective app. Anybody can go here, upload an image, and within seconds determine whether it is deepfaked or not.
Hi, my name is Shreya, and my project is breast cancer detection using an AI service.
AICI, which is an app that helps visually impaired people recognize the value of a dollar bill. Our custom AI is run to check what the value of the bill is, and it will return the value.
With our progressive curriculum, they can see their creativity come to life.